Have you ever asked AI a question and received a completely useless response? The key to getting the best result from AI isn't just what you ask, it's how you ask it. In this video, we'll explore how to structure your questions to get clear, useful, and insightful answers from AI tools like ChatGPT. Before we dive in, if you're enjoying this content, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more AI and tech insights. Like this video, it really helps us reach more viewers. Comment below with your thoughts or questions. We'd love to hear from you. Share this video with friends who want to master AI conversations. AI models don't think like humans. They generate responses based on patterns. The quality of the output is only as good as the input. This is often called garbage in, garbage out. For example, a bad prompt would be, "Tell me about marketing," which is too broad and vague. A good prompt would be, "What are the top 3 digital marketing strategies for small businesses in 2024? Closed questions yield yes or no responses and are useful for factual answers. For example, "Can AI write a book?" would get a yes, but that's not very useful. Open-ended questions encourage detailed responses. For instance, what are the best ways AI can assist in writing a book? Is more useful and leads to insights. Best practice: use open-ended questions when seeking detailed explanations. AI thrives on clarity. The more details you provide, the better the answer. For example, instead of asking, "Help me write an email," you could say, "Write a formal email to a potential client introducing my marketing agency services." If AI doesn't provide a useful response, refine by adding context, such as rewrite this in a persuasive tone. Instead of asking for a broad answer, break it into steps. For example, instead of asking, "How do I start a business?" you could ask, "Give me a step-by-step guide for launching an online store." You can also ask AI to build on previous answers, like expand on step 2 with real-world examples. AI doesn't always get it right the first time, so you can refine your request. For example, you might say, "That answer was too generic. Can you provide more technical details?" You can also ask AI to adjust the tone, such as make this sound more conversational or summarize this in 2 sentences. Common mistakes include asking vague, one-word prompts, not checking AI's facts, always verify important information, and expecting AI to think like a human. Mastering AI conversations is like learning a new language. The more you practice, the better you get. Experiment with different ways of phrasing questions to get the best results. Want to learn more? Check out our other videos on AI productivity and communication. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you found it useful.